Today I show you how to customize the control center on your MacBook Air M5, MacBook Pro, or any Mac really. And if you have an iPhone or an iPad, the control center will look very similar. You open the control center and then you can choose edit controls, and any of these controls that you don't want to have there, you can remove them by clicking on the minus sign, and also you can add new ones. So I can add new controls there if I wanted to. It's up to you how many you have. It's not really great to have too many, but yeah, you can add the controls by choosing edit controls, and there are many categories of controls. You can also search for controls. Each app will have its own controls, so I will choose to add the record screen or capture screen for a screenshot. So this one, add to control center or add to menu bar. You can also customize the menu bar. You can add controls to the menu bar. If I add it to the menu bar, you will see it there on the top right corner. If you don't want to have it in the menu bar, you can remove it from there. I prefer not to have it there. I prefer to have it in the control center. And you can rearrange the icons on the control center. Each icon will have a specific size that it's taking, and the buttons around it, they have to fit. They have to have enough space. Otherwise they will rearrange, the icons will rearrange. But here I took a small screen recording to show you that it's really easy to record the screen from the control center using this screen recorder option. It's pretty convenient to have this, and you can also add any of the controls you might want to have there. Also in the menu bar you will have icons of the apps that are currently opened. So if you have an app that is open, maybe it has some kind of status. You also have the Wi-Fi indicator, the battery, and all those things. And I can also add alarms to the menu bar or to the control center. The menu bar, it's more convenient because they are easier to access. So you have one click. Whatever item you have in the menu bar is going to be accessible with one click. So a timer, in this case, it's pretty convenient to have it there, so you don't have to do 2 clicks. Basically you click once and then you look for the control in the control center, and then you start it. This is a very quick way to access programs, access apps on your MacBook. To record the screen, I prefer to have the OBS recorder. Actually, this video now is recorded with OBS on the MacBook Air M5. And I prefer to have the menu bar there, this top bar, with as little icons as possible, so there's not too many distractions. The menu bar, I believe, should be really only for the apps that are currently running and they want to show you something. For example, when an app is using a camera or a microphone. I hope this helps you set up your control center and the menu bar on your Mac. Thanks for watching.